So this here is a brand new window that we're going to be installing into a playhouse. These can be used for sheds, other outdoor buildings, but we've got about 10 of these going into our playhouse here. So here's a quick look at this window. You can see we've got the nailing fin on the outside, makes it really easy to install. This window has aluminum framing all around it, even the cross section here. It has the screen down below, allowing you to lift up the window. And so it's great, this is tempered glass, so with it going into a playhouse, it reduces risks as far as breakage goes. So there's 32 holes here around the perimeter for nails and screws. I only do about a third of them and have had no issues, but definitely plenty of holes here to really get that secured down to the framing behind it. So after getting our screws installed, this window's not going anywhere, and then I can work on flashing it, getting it ready for trim. Got done with the flashing, and this is how it looks. I'll be adding trim onto the sides here to cover up the flashing. So these windows have nice and smooth operation along the frame here. You've got these two tabs that you can essentially push together or push inwards, and it allows you to lower the pane of glass. Really easy there. And then it latches into place down here. And to open it, same thing, pinch them. And there's various stops built into the window here, so if you don't want it fully open, you've got different options here. And you'll just want to follow the instructions as far as your opening size, depending on what size window you get, but we had no issues. We had everything framed, and then we're able to put the window in with no problem. And we've used these windows elsewhere, including a little shed we have by the pool here. And you can see how they look once they're all trimmed in. Look very nice and sleek, and they've remained functional for the 5 years that we've had this shed built. So I highly recommend these windows if you're looking to outfit a shed, playhouse, or other outdoor building.